What is going on? So close it. Close the freaking auction. Quit on site. Close it, man. This is my truck, yo. Close it. Come on, man. Let me get it for $20,700. That's a deal. Close it, man. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. What are you doing? Hey, this is why I'm telling you guys need to switch over to Copart system. This is BS. There's nobody on site bidding on this thing, man. This is just me. Come on, man. Bro. Yeah, there's only somebody on site supposedly bidding on it, right? Man, they're hella playing me, dude. But I want this truck. Close it. Let's go, man. Oh, that's why there's no sound. I can't hear what's going on. Let's go. Close it. Look how long they're taking. Hey, what is this, man? I'm recording this whole process. Why are you guys taking a whole hour to close my truck? Man, are you kidding me, dude? Why is it green? Why can't I bid? Unreal, dude. Close it, dude. Look how long they're taking, man. Are you kidding me? Unreal, dude. Unfreaking real. There's nobody there on site. Close it. Yeah. Unreal, dude. Hold on. What the hell? Dude, I'm telling you, man. I'm just telling you guys. I'm recording this whole process right here. That's some BS right here. Close this truck, man. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, there's nobody bidding except for me, dude. And supposedly somebody on site. Watch, if they open it again, I'll be swinging. I'm swinging this monitor right here. I'll be swinging this monitor here. Don't make me swing this monitor now. Unbelievable. 23,400. Hell got played though. Alright, y'all. As y'all saw, I just bought myself a diesel truck, an iaai. I'm pretty excited. I'm not excited about getting screwed in iaai, as y'all saw. They cost me an extra $2,700. This was Copart. It would not happen. However, I did finally get me a diesel truck. I've been wanting one for a while. So I'm going to pay for it and can't wait to see it come in and see what I got to do to it. The truck just came in.
Oh yeah, it's got a freaking 5-inch. It's 5-inch, yeah. It's a 5-inch exhaust. It's got, dude, look, check it out, sir. It's got a fast fuel system. Look at that. It's got well, I think this comes factory aluminum injection, but it has an oil pan.
Look at that, dude.
Oil pan. It's got a leveling kit. It's got a little bit of light surface rust, but that's nothing.
Yeah, nothing major.
We've seen a lot worse. This will clean up.
How's the damage look?
The damage looks like it's the rim.
It's in the picture. Looks a lot worse.
Just see if it's worked.
Oh, it's got a BMW trailer hitch.
We might have to change the axle, just the axle part, but not the actual housing. Then the front rim has got like, mine needs to be replaced. It's got curb crash. But I bet you anything.
What kind of rims?
No, the rim is messed up. It's messed up, right? On the inside.
Yeah. It's only 2 rims. It's got a 6 front bumper on there.
Winch. Dude, this is very light damage.
Yeah.
No structure. There's no frame damage. We're gonna take this rim off and try to put a spare tire so we can drive around course but can't pick it up. That's very well. Hit it lightly though. Hit it the other way. Forward, lightly. Yeah, just keep going. Just don't drop it on the roof of your truck.
I have a forklift certification, believe it or not.
Okay, okay. You're good, boys.
the truck. Here it is. Here's the damage. You couldn't tell in the pictures, but the current airbags are deployed, both of them. In regards to the current airbags, seat belts locked up. So, but it's actually a really nice truck. Pretty excited. I've been wanting one for a while, and I either wanted this or a high country. The bed's got some damage to it. The main unknown is kind of with the axle. If we have to replace the axle, if it's just something minor, but we're not going to find that out until later we get it up on the frame. Like I said, so the damage is actually less than it looked like in the picture, so I'm really happy. That usually is not the case. But I'll put these batteries on charge.
I'm excited soon.
Right?
I love tuning trucks, dude.
Show you guys the inside. Inside is sick. It's got like that brown leather. It's really nice. It'll clean up good. Definitely gotta give me some of those leather floor mats. And one of these things that has the charging port right here. Probably not. Doesn't look like it. But it does have cooled seats, heated seats. Perfect. I'm glad at least the dash isn't blown. Here, let's see. It's got trailer brakes. All these steering wheel options. And then right here, it looks like that right there is for your tunes, depending on which setting you want them in. Pretty awesome. Oh yeah. Sweet truck. Bumper, and then I notice it's got a looks like a Warren winch, so definitely some nice upgrades on it. And then the rims, it's got some 33s, which is gonna be good. It's gonna ride pretty close to stock. And these are Toyos, I believe, right? No, Nittos. Hey, these are Nittos, dude.
I know, Nittos, good time.
There's the engine.
We had another delivery we just got finished. I'll do it.
It's fully deleted. It's got a cold air intake on it.
Alright.
So,
Alright.
definitely looking forward to driving this truck. Alright. So we got the spare tires on. We wanted to kind of put it on there, see how it drives. So we're about to take it for a spin, and we want to make sure that the axle wasn't damaged. Is where it got damaged pretty much on the leaf spring where that pin popped out. So it doesn't look like there's any frame or structural damage.
But you can see it slid a little bit when the truck was spinning. Other than that, axle is good.
Yep. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start it up and take it for a drive, see if it drives. We know it runs because we already started it up, but we're gonna go ahead and drive it, make sure it drives.
No lights?
Probably gonna be just the airbag light on, just because the current airbags are deployed. Ice possible drive. Okay, that's probably the airbag light. The sensor's probably bad for the temperature. It's probably not showing correctly. Alright, let's take it for a spin. The AC works, radio works. Man, this kind of stuff bothers me like crazy though. Alright, you see how it's a leather steering wheel and it's kind of wore out a little bit? Definitely have to get that replaced. That's not gonna work for me. Open up the mirror. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go. Okay, drive this baby. See if she drives. It's like this is the wrecked truck, but man, it feels good, dude. Alright, look at that. Let's see if it makes it up this hill in two-wheel drive. Too easy, man. It's not even a challenge, yo. If I remember reading it correctly, clockwise is gonna be more power. More power, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Holy smokers!
Is that all the way?
Man, I think that's all the way, dude. That thing feels good, man. Look at that. Alright, I'm sure alignment is off. Yep, alignment is off, but dang, look at this thing go, man.
Dang, that's a good.
Dang, dude, this thing is getting it. So
I know.
this is probably the first time I bought a wrecked truck we had it driving within like an hour. I mean, literally, all we did was put some spare tires on it. I mean, it looked bad in the pictures, like you guys had some serious damage. Man, it's been a while since I had a diesel truck. Feels good. Last one I had was a King Ranch Ford F250. This feels really good. Let's see. Well, hear how it sounds from the outside. Ready? Yeah. Man, this thing is pulling.
Yeah, did you hear it popping?
Yeah, dude.
Crazy.
Dude, this thing is awesome. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna order the parts and get this puppy done.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, let's go ahead and get it parked.
And that's it. And order parts tomorrow. So.